Hi, welcome to Cool Products YouTube channel, where we talk about several new cool products. Hope you enjoy today's video. Transform your space into a mesmerizing galaxy with the Galaxy Projector from VeLo Home Gadgets. This innovative device not only projects breathtaking images of the cosmos, but also doubles as a high-quality speaker, perfect for playing your favorite tunes. Ideal as a night light for kids, it creates a calming atmosphere that helps them drift off to sleep. Plus, with its built-in speaker, you can play lullabies or bedtime stories, planning a party or a sleepover. The Galaxy Projector sets the perfect mood, making you the coolest host around. Its dazzling visuals and dynamic sound will captivate your guests and make your event unforgettable. Exclusively at VeLo Home Gadgets, you can get this amazing Galaxy Projector at a special 50% discount. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Light up your life with the Galaxy Projector from VeLo Home Gadgets. Order now and create your own slice of the universe at home. I have linked the VeLo store in my bio. Subscribe for more fresh reviews like this about amazing products.